Top 5 questions about HVAC problems. 1. Why is my HVAC system not working? 2. How much will it cost to fix my HVAC system? 3. Should I repair or replace my HVAC system? 4. How can I prevent HVAC problems? 5. What are the most common HVAC problems? Here are some brief answers to each question. Why is my HVAC system not working? There are many reasons why your HVAC system might not be working. Some of the most common causes include a dirty or clogged air filter, a refrigerant leak, a frozen evaporator coil, a faulty thermostat, a problem with the compressor. How much will it cost to fix my HVAC system? The cost to fix your HVAC system will vary depending on the cause of the problem and the complexity of the repair. However, you can expect to pay anywhere from a few $100s to a few $1,000s for most repairs. Should I repair or replace my HVAC system? If your HVAC system is more than 10 years old or is in need of frequent repairs, it may be time to consider replacing it. A new HVAC system will be more energy efficient and will likely save you money on your utility bills in the long run. How can I prevent HVAC problems? There are a few things you can do to prevent HVAC problems, such as changing your air filter regularly, having your HVAC system inspected and serviced by a qualified professional once a year, keeping the area around your outdoor unit clear of debris. What are the most common HVAC problems? The most common HVAC problems include a dirty or clogged air filter, a refrigerant leak, a frozen evaporator coil, a faulty thermostat, a problem with the compressor. If you are experiencing any of these problems, it is important to call a qualified HVAC technician to diagnose and repair the problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Please check the description for much more details.